wait just a second. So what we've done is we put oil in this test tube
And
and
we're
made
going
it
to.
that high, right? Go ahead.
Now we're going to add water.
You very slowly. Stop. What's happening?
The oil is coming to the top.
So what does that mean?
That means the oil is going to be on the top when we food color it.
Okay, now why did the oil go to the top if the water was poured in last? So which is heavier?
The water.
Water, okay.
Papa, what color do you want the
I don't care, let's get it done. We need to do it in the next few hours because this will probably die.
We are going to make it blue.
Okay,
Can't open
put
it.
1 drop of blue.
Can't open it. Is it pop?
I don't know, give it to me. Okay.
I got it. 1 drop of blue.
Okay, put a couple drops in there. Okay,
It's supposed to make it heavier.
stop. That's good, that's stop. Okay, so let's leave it there a second, see what happens. Okay, the water just sort of sits there, right? Put the top on that and put it back in the box. All right, so now what's going to happen?
It's going to stay there.
Okay, it'll stay there. So now the next thing is to do what? What's the next part? Move that water off and put the top on it.
We add 1/4 of an Alka seltzer.
Well, it's not 1/4 because we don't need that much in there, but let's drop an Alka seltzer in there. Okay, you drop it all the way to the bottom.
The blue is going straight down.
Okay. So now you see the blue dropping down.
There we go.
Oh, cool.
Now watch the bubbles.
No, oh yeah. Okay, here, I'll let you use the camera a minute, that way you can get a good picture of it.
Let me focus on it a little more so they can get it. Look at that. Doesn't that look cool?
Yep.
Now I see why we wanted the towel. You do want a towel underneath these if you're doing this.
Yep. Nothing's happened, but we were just being prepared. Okay? So now, I guess...
Do you want to try a different color?
Stop. No, you can't put a bunch of colors in there because it's not going to change color now.
I know.
It'll mix, but it won't change.
What do
Okay,
you mean?
anyway. So now, what do you see? Little globs of blue floating at the top, right?
Mm-hmm.
Now, I guess what's going to happen to those globs? They are sinking, right? Or are they just sort of floating around?
Kind of just floating around.
Okay, don't put no more in there just yet, or you want to.
I want to try something.
Okay.
I'm adding another small piece of Alka seltzer.
Okay.
There it goes. Now
Okay.
it's went into the bottom. Now watch. Kind of bubbles again. It gets a little more intense again.
Yeah. Yeah, I guess that would look really neat if you did it on a great big vase or something.
Yeah.
Take more oil, but still.
Well, it did call for 1/4 on the big vase.
Yes, but we are economizing by going to smaller dots.
Oh, there it goes. That was cool. Got like a little tube right there.
You know what's keeping them together up here at the top? Making it stay at the top? It's called surface tension.
Surface tension, cool.
Yep, of the water. Surface tension of the oil. So let's see, you put the oil in first, and then you put the water, and then the egg food coloring. Then the oil
Changes sides
changes
with this
sides
water.
of the water. Yep. And eventually, the drops of food color mixed with the water and then exploded really blue. It was cool, wasn't it?
It called for red, but we kind of did blue.
You can do whatever color you want. Okay.
That's just cool. That right there is cool. If I
All
can
right, now
focus.
question, do you want to just leave this like this for a long time for this to separate? And then later on in the day, we'll put the last thing in there? Like for a couple hours from now?
We're gonna let this stay here and evaporate. It's by
Not
itself.
evaporate, let it settle again.
Yeah, and then we're gonna add a different color. Just kidding.
You can put another drop of color in there, but it's not going to make any difference except make the blue and whatever color you mix in there will change. Mix. Okay.
Wait, would it actually mix?
Well, I don't know. I guess we'll just have to do that as
With the camera.
So that's what we'll.
Experiments. Experiments. I'm sorry. I really wanted to.
You watch the. Okay,
Now,
that's enough. How many drops you put in? 4 drops. Now let's watch it and see if what it does. It did sink to the bottom. I don't see no change. And the reason being is that we've got so much in there.
add a little bit. Oh, look, right there. You see, it's kind of changing color.
All right.
Now it's changing to green. Now that we've added a little bit more, it's going to bubble. Experiment works. Look. That's cool.
Okay.
That is cool.
All right. You be the camera holder.
It's changed from blue to green since we added some yellow. This is cool. And an hour later, we'll try red. We'll try
Yeah.
the other
Yeah,
two
well,
colors.
Maybe later. Okay.
In
All right.
about
Are
an
we
hour.
done for now? And we'll come back later.
Say bye.
Bye.
Hope you had a good time watching.